A lot of times you're going to find out that there's a federal criminal investigation pending against you is when you get a phone call at 6 in the morning from an FBI agent that's parked out in front of your house and wants to talk to you. You've got to realize that at that point, that investigation's been cooking up for several months, if not several years. They've already talked to a lot of people. They've looked at a lot of evidence, so they know what the case is about. They normally start at the outside of the circle and work inwards. If you make the mistake of talking to a law enforcement agent without the advice and guidance of counsel, the cat's out of the bag in terms of what you say. It's like jumping off a bridge without a bungee cord. Once you open your mouth, you can't take it back. It's important to understand that you have the right to say no, and you have the right to have counsel present during any interviews with law enforcement. Now, a lot of times what will happen is a law enforcement agent will tell you, you don't need a lawyer right now. It's not at that point. We just need a little bit of information from you. You don't need to lawyer up, as they say. When they try to tell you that it's really no big deal and you can work with them and they'll help you out without anything in writing, you're wasting your time and you're putting yourself in jeopardy. We've been handling federal criminal cases in New Jersey since 1985. We have, I think, a lot of credibility with the U.S. attorneys that we've worked with, which has really helped our clients along the way, because U.S. attorneys are going to identify your client with you. And if you're respected, and if the U.S. attorney thinks that you're a credible broker and you come to the table honestly, that's going to inure to the benefit of your client. And that's been something that we've been very, very careful to maintain throughout the years. And I think we've done a very good job of it. If you've been approached by federal law enforcement investigators, best thing to do is to not talk. It's to be courteous, end the conversation, and call us. We'll make the time for you to come in if it's off hours on the weekends. Timing is everything. Sit down with us. Let's assess the landscape first and see what's best for you, so you don't go and make a mistake that's going to adversely affect your case, a mistake that you'll never be able to fix. This is a maze, and you won't be able to get through it yourself.